So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to start with a new chapter called application of integrals, which carries around 8 marks in your 12th board exam. So let's start with our first question. I had written here first three important equation. This is of parabola equation, this is of ellipse equation, and this is a circle equation. So let's start with our first question. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line y is equal to 4. So first of all we should draw the diagram which helps you to solve the problem. Sorry, this is curve. So they have given y is equal to 4. We should find this area of first quadrant, and this is also area of the second quadrant. This is y axis, x axis, x axis. So area is equal to y is equal to x square. This is a given data. Y is equal to x square. Root y is equal to root x square. This 2 and this square will be cancelled. So x is equal to root y. Area is equal to 0 to 4. Limit, they have given y is equal to 4. So limit 0 to 4 x dy. Area 0 to 4 root y dy. Area equal to 2. So the one formula is there for root x dx. 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. So this is a formula, we should apply this here. 2 by 3 y, 3 by 2, limit 0 to 4. So 2 by 3 we should take outside. So y is equal to 4. So we should put this 4 in this y value. So y 3 by 2 minus 0. This is another limit. 0 is 0. We can write or else leave. So 2 by 3. 4 can be written 2 upon 2. 3 by 2. This 2 will be cancelled. So 2 by 3. 2 raised to 3 is answer 8. So for first quadrant your answer is 8. This is for first quadrant. So let's find this second quadrant. So it is easy and similar. We should just multiply 2 here. So okay, let's find that also. So same only. Area 0 to 4 x dy. Area 0 to 4 root y dy. This is for second quadrant. Area equal to 2 into 2 by 3 y, 3 by 2 4, limit 0 to 4, 2 into 2 by 3. So we should put 4 in this y value. 4, 3 by 2, limit 0 to 4, 2 into 2 by 3. This 2 will be cancelled. So minus 0 we can write or else leave. So for second quadrant your answer is 32 by 3. So this is 8. Sorry, 2 into 2 by 3. This is 8. So the for second quadrant your answer is 32 by 3 square units. So this is for second quadrant. I think you understood this both. This is the same one. This is for first quadrant and this is for second quadrant. So let's move to our next question. This is most expected question. It is also asked in 2022. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line SAR where x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 and x axis in the first quadrant. So first of all we should draw the diagram. This is a rough diagram. They have given for the first quadrant. So for first quadrant they have given the lines where x is equal to 1, this is x is equal to 4. This is a rough diagram, just for your understanding I drawn that. So we should find this area between x and 1. This is x and 4. We should find this area. So okay, let's start. Area equal to limit 1 to 4 y dx. area is equal to limit 1 to 4 root x dx. Area equal to 2 by 3. Area equal to 2 by 3. Area equal to 2 by 3 x 3 by 2 limit 1 to 4. 2 by 3 4. We should put this x value. We should put this 4 in your x value here. 4 raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. So 4 can be written 2 raised to 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1. So this 2 will be cancelled. So 2 by 3 8 minus 1. So your answer is 14 by 3 square units. I think you guys understood this. So this is a expected question. So let's move to our next question. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to 9x, where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So same as above diagram. They have given the two lines. First one is x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. We should find this area. Area is equal to, wait a minute guys. Area is equal to limit 2 to 4 y dx, limit 2 to 4 3 root x dx. So 9 by 2 can be written as 9 by x can be written by 3 root x also, by like 2 half is equal to root 2, like this. So limit 2 to 4 3 root x dx. So this 3 will be constant, so we should take it outside. 3 2 by 3, sorry we should not put this, 2 by 3 x 3 by 2 limit 4 to 2. So 2, this 3 will be cancelled. So 2 8 minus 2 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2. So 2 8 minus 2 root 2. So your answer is 4 minus root 2 square units. So I think you guys not understood this, how 2 upon 3 by 2 came. So I will solve here. 2 upon 3 by 2 can 2 raised to 3 by 2 can be written as 2 half 3. 2 half can be written as root 2 3. So this can be written root 2 into root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 root 2. This how it came. So I think you guys can understood this. So okay, let's move to our next problem. I had not written a data, just I have taken a question here. Means I had not written find the area bounded by the curve this, and the lines are these. I have just written. So given equation is root x is equal to 4y, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. We should find yx in the first quadrant. So first we should draw the diagram. So they have given two lines, one y is equal to 4 and one y is equal to 2. We should find this area in the first quadrant. We should find this area. So area is equal to, this is also important question and expected one. So area is equal to limit 2 to 4 x dy. Area is equal to limit 2 to 4 root 2y dy. 2 into this 2 we should take outside. 2 into 2 limit 2 to 4 root y dy. 2 into 2 by 3 y 3 by 2 limit 2 to 4. So 4 by 3 we should multiply this. 4 by 3. We should put 4 in this 2 in this y value. So we get 8 minus 2 root 2. So the final answer is 8 by 3. 4 minus 2 root 2 square units. I think you guys understood this problem. So these are the important question on a parabola concept. So I think today okay, then that's it for today's video, guys. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.